Welcome back to QA Vault today. Let's deep dive into functionality testing, one of the most important types of black box testing. Functionality testing is part of black box testing. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick recall of where it fits. In simple terms, functionality testing verifies whether every feature behaves exactly the way the requirement says. It ensures the system does what it is supposed to do, without surprises or missing functionality. We usually apply functionality testing in three different ways: over-testing, under-testing, and optimized testing. Over-testing is when we try to test every single input and path. It's called exhaustive or donkey testing because it takes a lot of time but adds very little value. Example, testing every possible six-digit OTP from 000, 000 to 999999. Under-testing happens when we check only limited inputs or flows. A lot of defects stay hidden, making the software risky. Example, testing login with only one valid credential and ignoring invalid cases. Optimized testing is the best approach. It balances the important scenarios and avoids wasted effort. We have positive testing and negative testing within optimized testing. Positive testing covers all valid inputs to ensure the feature works as expected. Example, entering valid username and password right arrow successful login. Negative testing checks how the application reacts to incorrect or unexpected inputs. Examples, special characters in number-only field. In the next video, we'll explore integration testing, another core type of functional testing. Stay tuned to QA Vault for more clear and practical explanations. Thanks for watching.